everyone, welcome back to Healthy and Prosperous. I hope you all are fine. I am Madhu. Today I will be making peanut corn salad, which is very nutritive, tasty, delicious. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Let's get started. You will need these ingredients: boiled corn, chopped tomatoes, cucumber, chopped onion, roasted peanuts, lemon juice. You can get all the ingredients shown in this video easily by clicking the link in description box. First of all, I take boiled corn, I am going to add chopped cucumber, I will add chopped tomatoes, add chopped onions, add roasted peanuts, last but not the least, I will add lemon juice. I will add chaat masala. Mix them all together. Our peanut corn salad is ready. Corn reduces the risk of anemia. Corn is rich in vitamin B12, folic acid, and iron, which helps in the production of red blood cells. Peanuts are rich in protein, fat, and healthy nutrients. Peanuts are linked to a reduced risk of heart diseases. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.